Welcome to the top best. The best faucet adapter is probably one of the most surprisingly versatile and essential tools for any homeowner or renter, transforming your indoor sink into a powerful outdoor water source for gardening, pet washing, or even filling up a kiddie pool, making those tricky water tasks incredibly simple and efficient without the need for complex plumbing installations. Number 5. Hibbent Faucet Adapter Kit. Ever needed to connect your garden hose to your kitchen sink? This innovative kit makes it simple. It's designed to bridge the gap between your indoor faucet and outdoor watering needs. This adapter boasts multi-thread compatibility, fitting most standard sink faucets with removable aerators. Please ensure your faucet has a removable aerator for a perfect fit. We've included an extra male adapter for even more versatility. It's important to check your faucet's thread size to ensure the best connection. Crafted from solid brass with a sleek chrome finish, this adapter is built for durability. It resists corrosion, ensuring long-lasting performance. Say goodbye to tangled and kinked hoses. Its 360-degree swivel feature allows for full rotation, preventing bends and breaks in your hose. Installation is a breeze, no tools required. Simply attach it by hand to your faucet and you're ready to go. Use it whenever you need to connect a 3-4-inch hose to your sink. It's the perfect solution for indoor watering tasks or filling buckets with ease. What we like. This adapter stands out with its 360-degree swivel, preventing hose kinks and breaks during use. It's also crafted from durable solid brass, ensuring long-term reliability. If you need a flexible, robust connection that's incredibly easy to install, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. All brass faucet diverter valve with aerator, G1 2x3-4, chrome. This diverter is crafted from solid brass metal, ensuring exceptional durability. Its bright, high-quality chrome plating provides resistance against daily rust and corrosion, maintaining its pristine look for years. Featuring an aerator and an external thread adapter, it easily connects to most bathroom and kitchen faucets. The smooth metal handle allows for effortless water diversion to its convenient side outlet. Designed with conventional thread types, it ensures broad compatibility with existing fixtures. Please verify your faucet's thread before purchase to guarantee a perfect fit. With its G1-2 thread for standard shower hoses and a 3-4 GHT garden hose connector, it's incredibly versatile. You can easily attach countertop dishwashers, washing machines, or even aquarium boxes. Installation takes only a few minutes, providing a seamless solution for connecting portable machines. It simplifies your setup, making your daily tasks more convenient. What we like. This unit boasts an all-metal, solid brass construction for superior durability and corrosion resistance. Its 3-way diverter with an integrated aerator makes it highly versatile for various uses. If you're looking to connect portable washing machines or dishwashers to your sink, this robust diverter is ideal. What people say. Number 3. 18 PCS Brass Faucet Adapter Kit. Tired of incompatible faucet attachments? This comprehensive adapter kit is your all-in-one solution. It ensures seamless connections for various needs. Introducing the 18-piece Brass Faucet Adapter Kit. Crafted from solid brass, it's designed for exceptional durability and long-lasting performance. Easily convert your sink faucet to connect garden hoses, shower hoses, or water filters. It works perfectly with both removable and insert aerators. With a wide range of male and female threads, this kit fits most common sink sprays, standard hoses, and various faucet attachments. You'll find the right size every time. Say goodbye to wasted money on new faucets or frustrating trips to the hardware store. This kit provides a convenient and cost-effective solution for your home. Each adapter is engineered with customized washers, preventing wear, leaks, or rust. You can trust its reliable performance for all your connection tasks. What we like. This extensive 18-piece kit offers unparalleled versatility for various faucet types and connections. It's designed to work with both removable and insert aerators, covering almost any scenario. If you want a complete solution that ensures compatibility with virtually any sink, this kit is your best bet. What people say. Number 2. 18 PCS Brass Faucet Adapter Kit. This comprehensive kit offers universal compatibility, working seamlessly with both removable and insert aerators. With 18 different male and female adapters, it's designed for almost any faucet. Its multiple sizes ensure it fits most common garden hoses, sink sprays, and water filters. You can easily connect various faucet attachments, from shower heads to standard hoses. This set includes a wide range of specific adapter sizes, ensuring you have the right connection for almost any need. Please refer to the product images for a detailed list of included sizes. Crafted from solid brass, these adapters are built for long-lasting application. They come with customized washers, ensuring threads won't wear, leak, or rust over time. Avoid the hassle and expense of buying a new faucet or searching for the right adapter. This 18-piece kit provides an easy and reliable solution for connecting to most common sinks. What we like. This universal 18-piece kit provides extensive compatibility for various faucet and hose connections. Its solid brass construction ensures long-lasting performance without leaks or rust. If you need a versatile adapter set for both home and RV use, this comprehensive kit has you covered. What people say. No reviews provided in the source JSON. Please provide product reviews to extract points. Number 1. Brass Faucet Adapter for Garden Hose. This adapter features a 3/4 male thread, making it easy to connect your standard garden hose directly to your faucet. It simplifies outdoor watering tasks. It offers multi-thread compatibility, converting various standard faucet threads to a 3/4-inch male hose thread. This ensures a secure fit for different faucet types. This adapter is designed for sink-round faucets with removable aerators. It works seamlessly with specific male and female faucet sizes, ensuring a perfect match. Crafted from quality solid brass with a chrome-plated finish, it offers exceptional durability. Its precision design helps reduce leaks, though gloves are recommended for installation. For easier connection, an extra rubber gasket is included. If you encounter difficulty, using a thinner washer can help achieve a snug fit. What we like. This adapter is specifically designed for converting common sink threads to a standard garden hose connection. Made from quality solid brass with a chrome finish, it promises durability and a sleek look. If you primarily need a reliable, leak-reducing connection for your garden hose, this one is a straightforward and robust choice. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.